Hello friends! If you want to take your trading to the next level, this video is for you. My name is Afir and I'm ready to show you how a proper approach and reliable tool can lead to the success in trading.
Say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll. Find me out here on my own.
Today we will work with one of the most trusted market analysis tools, the Alligator Indicator. Let's dive in and see how to turn $35 into something much bigger. If you're not part of our team yet, now the perfect time to change that. Together we will explore the best trading practices. Learn to apply accurate signals and master platforms like Pocket Option. I'll share all the benefits later, but for now, take the first step and join us. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Starting amount $35. Time frame 1 minute. Expiration time 3 minutes. Indicator Alligator. EURCAD. The chart shows the price reaching a historical high, but further upward movement seems unlikely. Volatility is dropping. The Alligator Indicator signals a slowdown in the uptrend, and the bearish patterns are forming. All signs point to market reversal. I'm investing $35 in a downward trade, confident that the price will go down. This is one of those moments when catching the movement is crucial. Friends, if you are tired of spending hours on complex analysis, try my TA robot. It analyzes the market for you, delivers accurate signals and helps minimize risks. Imagine earning while the robot handles all the hard work. Sounds great? Then click the link in the description. There is nothing better than seeing your prediction come true. The price moved downward exactly as planned. Bearish candles gain momentum and I secure a profit $67. These moments prove that trading can be both easy and rewarding. EURAUD. On this pair, the Alligator Indicator shows the beginning of a new bearish impulse. The jaws of the indicator are positioned above the price curve, confirming a downtrend. The price has just hit a resistance level and the market looks ready for another drop. I'm investing $67 in a downward trade, confident the price will continue falling. Looking for an easier way to trade? My VIP channel is exactly what you need. Get access to the best signals, proven strategies and professional support. It's like having a personal mentor in trading. The link is in the description. Join now. You shouldn't have seen this chart. The price dropped as it was guided. The resistance level held firm, and the trade brought in a profit $128. The adrenaline rush is unbeatable when the market moves in your favor. CAD-CHF. After a prolonged decline, the price on this pair is stabilizing. The Alligator Indicator confirms a reversal. Its jaws are opening upward, signaling a shift to an uptrend. I'm investing $128 in an upward trade, following start of this upward movement. In moments like this, it's important not only spot the signal, but trust the tool you use. Imagine making money while sitting at home with a cup of coffee. The OTC bot does all the work for you. It analyzes the market, provides signals, and lets you trade even on weekends. All you need to do is click a couple of buttons. Try it yourself. The link is in the description, is waiting for you. The price moved upward confidently, as if the chart knew what I was expecting. It's so motivating when everything goes according to plan. The trade closed with a profit, $246. Success feels like my middle name today. AUD/USD. Following a recent bearish impulse, the chart is showing signs of recovery. The alligator indicator points to potential growth. Its jaws are shifting, signaling an upcoming upward movement. I'm investing $246 in an upward trade, expecting the price to move toward the resistance level. Friend, if you want to make money without extra effort, try copy trading. You just connect and my trades are automatically copied to your account. All you have to do is watch the results. Why make it complicated? Click the link in the description. Send me a message and see for yourself. There is nothing like the feeling when the chart confirms your expectation. The price began climbing toward the resistance level as planned. The trade brought in a profit $472. It all seems so simple, it's almost like magic. AUD/CAD. On this pair, the uptrend remains strong. The alligator continues to show confident upward movement and the market demonstrates stability. I'm investing $472 in an upward trade, trusting the analysis and waiting for the results. Imagine earning while going about your day. Copy trading makes it possible. Just connect to my trades and they'll be automatically copied to your account. It's simple and transparent. The link is in the description. Click now and start earning with me. The price moved upward confidently. It's simply amazing. The trade closed with a profit $907. This is the kind of moments we're all here for. All the trades in this session were successful, thanks to the strategy using the alligator indicator. If you want to trade with the same confidence and profitability, join our community. You'll find accurate signals, proven strategies, and professional support. Join us, take advantage of pocket option, and start earning today. Links are in the description. Don't wait.